right, well, when you see her again, let her know. She moves pretty fast for a big girl.
Someone got past and started breaking someone's car, and they're fighting outside. I don't know what's going on here.
Okay, they're physically fighting right now?
Yeah.
How many people?
3 girls, 2 guys.
3 females and 2 males?
Yeah.
Alright, I'll be your backup. So hi, how you doing? Who was fighting? No? How you doing, gentlemen? Anybody fighting out here?
No, they went outside. That's the one going.
Okay.
Car this way, bro. On the $4. Yeah. I'm about to get my
Hey, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Columbus Police, stop. Hey, stop. Stop. Columbus Police, stop.
North in the alley.
Stop him. He's listening. Hey, so
Black.
why was she running?
And shirt.
Okay, well, was there a fight?
Nope.
There wasn't a fight?
No.
We just came out here because we heard there was a fight. So we're going to talk to him.
I didn't see no fight, sir.
You didn't see no fight. Well, what's your name?
What's my name?
Yeah, what's your name? Do you have an ID on you?
She went running south, just west of North High.
Alright, so there wasn't a fight. Come on. Be serious.
I'm serious. I ain't seen no fight.
You didn't see no fight?
I just got here.
Oh, you just got here?
Yeah, I ain't seen no fight.
Okay. Who was your friend?
It was my friend. I'm by myself.
No, the chick that you were with.
Who I was with? I wasn't with no chick.
Not yet. Everyone gathered security at the bar.
I wasn't with no chick.
The girl, the woman that was running.
I don't know. I was just doing it. I don't know what was going on. I just doing that for.
You were saying okay. Here, let's walk back this way.
Yes, sir.
So who was she?
I don't know. I just got here.
You're going with her.
No, I just.
You're
did
running
that.
with her.
I'm not running.
You're
with her.
running with her through the houses, man.
I'm not riding with her. I promise you, I'm not. I just got here. I'm by myself. I just did that for no. I don't know why I did that. I didn't even know y'all would.
I know why you did it, because you with her.
I'm not with her. I promise you, I'm not with her.
All right, here's your ID back.
Thank you. All right.
All right. So you're not gonna tell her name? Tell us her name.
No, I just got here. I'm telling you, sir. I just got here. I don't know what's going on.
All right. Well, when you see her again, let her know. She moves pretty fast for a big girl. Uh-huh. Yeah, that's why I'm like, there ain't no way she got as far as she did.
Came through them bushes and shoot.
Oh. Hey, get out from underneath
Hey.
the truck.
Come out.
Police, get out from underneath the truck. Get on out.
Come out.
Come out. 9170. We found the female. Turn around.
Turn around.
Turn around.
Behind your back.
We gave you a lawful order to stop and you ran.
All right. Turn around. Bring
Turn
us
around.
behind your back.
We gave you a lawful order to stop and you ran.
I was drunk, guys.
Okay.
I didn't see anything, sir. You don't have to. If y'all don't have to restrain me, I'm not aggressive.
No, you're being detained.
Okay, but I'm not be aggressive. I'm a woman.
East, west,
I'm not a
alley.
robber. Like,
Well, you ran from us.
I did not see
Okay.
nothing.
You ran from us.
I didn't see anything. I was drunk. There was some girls trying to fight me.
Listen, we said Columbus Police,
I did not
stop.
hear that. I was drunk.
Don't
I told
you even. I said Columbus Police,
But
stop,
you're
and you
so
took off
aggressive.
running.
You started.
Because you
started
went running from us.
I did not hear you guys.
No.
Don't lie. Then why are you hiding underneath the truck?
Because some girls
Because
tried to
you-
fight me.
No.
Because you were running when we said Columbus Police, stop, and you took
I
off
did not hear
running.
that, sir.
Where's the other shoe?
It's
You only
over
have
here.
one.
It's in the, what's the name? It's in the,
Oh.
It's in the alley that I was running from.
Well, we got a street to come to right here.
Okay. Talking about the shoe, my phone, so I dropped it in the alley.
We
I need to
will,
be able to talk to my family, please.
we will get to that in a
Okay.
minute.
Okay. Can
We
I
just got to
please?
straight. We're gonna figure out what's going on.
You got ID in here?
Yes, sir.
Go ahead, pull that ID out.
Can I please get my phone to call my family, sir?
No.
I'm here alone.
No.
No, none of my family.
Not right now.
Sir, but why is you so like, sir? Just do your job.
Sir,
all
I
the
am
extra,
doing my
all the
job.
extra
Doing our
stuff
job.
is like
There ain't no
uncalled
extra
for.
stuff. The extra
It
stuff
is
is
your
because of
attitude.
you.
Your attitude.
My attitude is
It's
because you
shitty.
ran from me.
Okay, so is that a personal attack against you? Did I do something to you, sir? For you
did.
to act like
You
that?
ran from
I did
me.
not. So what's the
Okay.
problem?
Do you know what would have happened if you didn't run? I would have talked to you, got your side of the story, figured out what happened, and that would have been it.
No, that wasn't it.
But you ran.
Sir, can I please get my phone? It's in the alley with my other handle, my other shoe.
We will get to that in a minute. You're not
Okay.
going to go get it. We'll go back and
That's
search
fine. I
for
know
it.
I'm not gonna be able to get it. I'm in handcuffs. How
Hey,
can I
Norton.
get it? Hello.
Give me a second. Actually. How is yours? Okay.
I'm right. I'm going to walk around to the other side of it.
Yeah.
Sir, I don't need you to help me like that to get to the car.
You already ran. I'm not
I
going
was
to let you
running from the
go.
girl that's gonna fight me.
You
I
ran
was
when I said
scared.
Columbus Police.
I did not hear
Stop.
that.
Don't lie.
I did not hear
You heard
that.
us and
You
I
heard
did
us
not.
and you
You
ran.
guys are just
Have a seat.
racist.
Sit down in
I
there.
am. You don't have to tell me that. I am.
Alright, take a seat.
Can I get my purse, my belongings, my ID?
We have it.
Okay, can I
Get
get my
in there.
purse and my shoes?
You ain't going to have it on you. Get
Why
in the cruiser.
not?
Please bring your foot in.
Because you're under arrest.
For what? What did I do? What crime? What proof?
From running from us. Get over.
From us. So what crime is
Scoot
that?
in. What do you mean what
You
crime
didn't
is
even
that?
know
It's
who I
not
was.
obstructing.
You didn't even know who I was.
Bring your legs.
You didn't even know who I was. I'm in the car.
All the way.
Don't touch me. I got it.
And get your foot in.
I am. I'm in here.
Okay.
Scarf, your phone, and ID and everything. It's in your wallet.
Appreciate it.
Yep, I know. Give me the driver's seat.
On June 24th, 2024, Miss Deja Sparks was arrested and charged with obstructing official business, then released on a summons. On August the 8th, she pled guilty to that charge and was ordered to pay a $25 fine as well as $128 in court costs for a grand total of $153. And that, my friends, is the Franklin County court system at work.